The Federation of Indian Pilots has expressed concern regarding the preliminary findings and public discourse surrounding the tragic crash of Air India Flight 171 in Ahmedabad, in which 275 people lost their lives. Now, the Federation of Indian Pilots has stated that at the outset they would like to register their dissatisfaction with the exclusion of pilot representatives from the investigation process. And they've also gone on to state that assigning blame before a thorough, transparent and data-driven investigation is both premature and irresponsible. Mehndi still with us on the broadcast live this morning. Mehndi, of course, the international media as such is trying to spin the report. The report has not pinned the blame on anyone. It has come out very categorically and put the facts out that yes, the fuel switches were cut off within 1 second, and the pilots spoke to each other. One asked whether the other cut it off, the other said no. Very clearly the report mentions it, but the international media is trying to spin this, and it's putting its own agenda forward, trying to pin the blame on the pilots. And now this fresh statement has come out by the Federation of Indian Pilots.
Well, indeed, after the preliminary report has been out, there are a lot of speculations, and indeed, very rightly mentioned that international media is trying to, turn this over to the pilots. But now the latest is that the FIP, as in the Federation of Indian Pilots, have also expressed their deep concerns regarding the preliminary findings and also the public discourse, surrounding the tragic crash of Air India flight. And it has been said by the FIP that they would like to register the dissatisfaction with the exclusion of pilot representatives from the investigation process. And they also, FIP also have said that assigning blame before a thorough, transparent and a data-driven investigation is both premature and irresponsible. So, FIP have said this preliminary report as premature and irresponsible. So not only this, but also, another leading pilot association, the Indian Commercial Pilots Association, the ICPA, have also strongly criticized what they described as reckless and unfounded insinuations regarding the tragic Air India flight AI-171 crash. And the groups have also, expressed deep concerns over the early public narrative suggesting pilot suicide as a possible cause, calling such speculation irresponsible, insensitive, and unsubstantiated. And also, international media is trying to turn this preliminary report onto the pilots, blaming the pilots. And now the different associations in India are questioning the preliminary report and also all the reports that are coming out blaming the pilots. So in a statement also, the FIP have registered its dissatisfaction with the exclusion of pilot representatives from the official investigation process. And they have said that, before a thorough, transparent and data-driven investigation, it is very irresponsible to blame the pilots or to blame anyone. So different associations are coming, forward to, ask questions regarding the preliminary report that was out by AAIB and is being manipulated by the international media.